I'm Amanda Branston from Lavinia Stamps. Welcome to Mandy's Quick Crafts. So we're going to look at Bandit and his friends for a quick watercolour using minimum amount of kit. Makes a lovely Christmas card, I hope you think. So let me show you how to do it. I'm using the watercolour card and Bandit, russet orange. This is a water-based premium dye ink. So it's great for blending and distressing, but it's also fabulous for stamping. Tap that on. Pick up details like his feet, perhaps the tip of his tail. Don't worry if it looks a bit out of joint. We can sort that out. So then I'm going to stamp that directly onto my card. So that's our basis, that's our foundations. So now with the number 4 brush and some water and tissue, I'm going to blend these two inks. That just helps us even out the colours, get in the dark areas where we want them most. Now we can add some more detail. So I'm going to put a little of graphite and the russet orange onto my craft mat, and then I can pick it up and shade as needed. This time I'm using the finer brush, the 100. With a clean brush, I'm just going to lift out some colour from his mouth and down his chest. And the same with his ear. I'll do that again. A bit of that ear detailing. Now I'm going to go to my Posca pen, give it a good shake first. I'm going to start on his mouth and bring it quite loosely. Onto his chest. We'll have a little bit of shade in his ear too. Final bit of detail for Bandit is his mouth. A bit of the black, I'll give him a bit of a smile. And if you follow his nose over, we can give him an eye. There's Bandit looking very handsome, very proud. Now we're going to work on the background. This time I'm going to just use the graphite, mix it with plenty of water, because it's just a wash we're after this time. So I'm just priming the card. I'm not going to take it all the way up to the top and take it over. Try not to touch Bandit because it will leak. So now I can bring the colour in. Very stormy sky in the background. Now I'm going to add some footprints. Where he's walked through that snow. To dry that off. Right, now he's ready for the snow. Again, Posca pen at the ready. And there we have it. Bandit, playing in the snow. Sounds slightly bigger and matte and layered. I hope you enjoyed that. Please come and visit again. Take care now. Bye bye.